10 easy Nordic star crochet blanket patterns. Make a cozy, chunky Nordic star blanket with this free crochet pattern. This crochet pattern will teach you to make a Nordic star sunburst blanket. This free pattern is for a Nordic star Tunisian crochet baby blanket. This is a digital PDF pattern for a Christmas tree blanket. This pattern is a free mosaic crochet pattern for a Nordic star baby blanket. This pattern from the Crochet Crowd demonstrates how to crochet a Scandinavian snowflake afghan. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a cozy blanket. The design uses C2C and tapestry crochet for a cozy Nordic winter look, featuring snowflakes and coffee mugs. This is a digital pattern for a Nordic winter crochet blanket, featuring a red and white star design. The Nordic star blanket uses overlay mosaic crochet for an intricate heirloom design. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.